Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing another look using the Profusion Midnight Eyeshadow Palette. I love this palette so very much. Today I'm sharing this blue look. So this is look number 2 with this Midnight palette. To get started, I used the WetnWild MegaLast eyeshadow primer to prime my eyes. And underneath the eyes, I used the Sheglam Insta Ready Face and Under Eye Setting Powder Duo to catch any fallout that I may have. Of course, we're going to be using the Profusion Midnight Eyeshadow Palette. You can find this palette at Walmart for $15. The first shade I am taking is from the second row, the last eyeshadow, and it's this really pretty blue. I would describe this as not only a cool tone blue, but kind of like a stormy sky blue. That's what it reminds me of. A rainy day blue. So I'm taking this on a short, stubby crease style brush. And it is very dense. I'm going to take this and pack it in the outer corner and applying that into the crease as well, using the orbital bone as a guide and applying that about halfway into the crease, leaving enough room in the inner portion of the crease for another color. Next up, I'm going to be taking in the second row the pale blue, and this is a very, very light blue. It's very brightening, but it does take time to build this shade up. Just like the pink shade I used the last look that I did, it took some time to build that pink shade up. Same with this blue. So I'm going to apply this in the inner portion in the first half of the crease, and I'm going to build that up. I am using a fluffy style crease blending brush to do so. And this will help with the blending. And I'm also taking that blue shade along the lines of the darker blue in the crease. Now, from the second row, I am also going to be taking the foiled shade that is in this palette, or the metallic shade. And it is this beautiful silver shade. So beautiful. And I'm applying that with my finger. So I'm just going to apply that to the lid, apply it a little towards the outer corner for blending purposes, and then I'm also going to apply just the tiniest bit up into the crease area, also for a little bit of blending purposes. So taking it up just a little bit higher than my lid. Up next, I'm going to be taking this beautiful shade. It's in the last row. It's the fourth eyeshadow, and this looks like it will be like a dark blue. And it kind of is. It also looks like a dark indigo or a blue violet. I don't really know how to describe it because to me it looks like 3 different shades. Super beautiful though. I'm taking that dense crease brush that I was using earlier and I'm going to use that. I'm going to be pressing that in the outer corner, slightly taking it up into the crease, once again for blending purposes. And once I layer all of these, it's going to be so much easier to blend once they are layered and packed up against each other. Next shade is in the first row, second eyeshadow, and it is a matte white. There's a matte white, there is also a matte white with glitter particles in it, and then there's a duochrome white shade all in that same row. So I'm just taking this on an oversized eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to pack that under the brow, not only as my highlight, but this is going to help blend down the crease as well. I'll blend all of those shades down effortlessly. I'm going to wipe away my fallout, and I'm going to be taking the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I'm going to apply that in my inner corner for my inner corner highlight. I'm going to blend that in a little bit, and in the eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be taking in the first row, beautiful duochrome eyeshadow, which is this shimmery white, and it shifts from white to this really beautiful icy blue. It's such a beautiful shift. I tried to show it in the pan, but it shows up more on the eyes. You can really see it on the right eye when I have my head turned a certain way. I'm going to apply that in the inner corner, and then I'm also going to be applying the first blue that I applied in the crease on the lower lash line, using the LaColors gel eyeliner in Midnight to tightline with, and this hard candy shade of Gorgeous eyeliner. And this is in like an off-white color, almost blue, so not stark white, and it's so pretty. The Rimmel Wonder Bond Mascara is absolutely amazing. Will be 100% repurchasing this mascara. I love everything about this mascara. I think it makes my lashes look so beautiful, full, volume, the length, all of it. For lips, I just went with a lip jelly from Be Pure in the shade Rose. It's really pretty. Could have went with a nude lip, could have went with something else, but I still love how the lip and the eyes come together. This is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed today's makeup look. Found the video helpful. Maybe you will try this look out for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos using the Profusion Midnight Eyeshadow Palette. And don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards out for additional links and a product list.